Hey guys, Jadiel here with Berkshire Auto Detail, and in this video I want to show you guys how you can wash your vehicle at home or at the self-serve car wash. Today we're in Lee at Patriots Car Wash. We're going to be using their water, so don't use any of these chemicals here. I'll go over the chemicals you need and I'll link them in the description. So for today, all we need is the high pressure rinse. This wheel cleaner is a very strong cleaner. You don't have to agitate, but if you're using a cleaner that is not acid-based, you do need to agitate the spokes in the wheel barrel as well. So this I just let the wheel cleaner dwell. I like to use a drill brush with a drill. You can use any tool you have. Okay, so we got the wheels done, the tires, and the wheel well. Now it's time to do a pre-soak. So the pre-soak is going to remove grime, bugs, road film, anything like that. There is this product that I like to use. It's 3D Car Care Super Pre-Soak. And the tire cleaner also acts as a bug remover. So either or, if you use this product, make sure it's in the shade and it's not on a hot paint. This one is sun friendly. So you can spray it in a bottle, in a foam cannon. You can spray it in a pump up sprayer or a garden irrigation sprayer thingy. So we're gonna go ahead and do the water. I'm gonna get the paint wet first before applying this product. The whole vehicle pre-soaked, all the bugs and grime is removed. Now it's time to do the wash. I do not recommend you use a brush like this. It's too coarse, and for dark colored vehicles you're just going to swirl your paint up. So here I have a couple products. These are just rinseless washes is what we call them. There's Owner's Pride Eco Wash, Gloss Shop Sublime, and then there's the traditional Optimum No Rinse. So I have less than 1 ounce in this bucket here that I brought with me, and a sponge that's perforated. This is what you want, so the dirt's gonna get trapped in there, as well as a grit guard inside the bucket, so that yellow grit guard traps dirt underneath and it stays underneath. I already put this in the bucket, and then you want a spray bottle, a pump up sprayer. In this case, I have a detail keg, so it's filled with water, and it also has a soap. So this is what you want. For the ease of this video, I'm just going to be using my detail keg here. It's water with soap and pressurized air. So we're just going to spray the soap all over the vehicle and let that encapsulate the dirt. This is what this formula does. So it's going to surround your dirt. That way you're not embedding it in the paint and causing swirls. This is safely done after a pre-soak. So I like to do like the top and half of the vehicle, that way the soap doesn't dry. But we're in the shade, so we're fine. All right, now that you have your pre-soak on, you can literally, I'll start over here. You can take your sponge that's been soaking in it, okay? And all you have to do is gently glide it over the paint, like so. And like I said, this formula encapsulates your dirt, so you're not scratching the paint. Okay, and here you can see the dirt. And so from here, you just dunk it back in. The dirt is going to fall underneath the grit guard, and you just continue your wash. So you can see the darkness in the sponge. That's water and dirt. But the point of to show you this is that you can just dunk your sponge. This is called the Big Red Sponge by, I believe it's by Optimum Car Care or something like that. I'll put it in the link. But so you can see that, yeah, no, that's just water absorption, but the sponge is clean, and we literally did the whole car. So I'm gonna finish the grill. I have distilled water in that bucket, so I'm not worried about water spots. But if you don't have filtered clean water at your house, you might want to do panel per panel. That way there's no water spots on your paint. All right, so let's dry it now. All right, so I got my towels here. This is a 1400 GSM twisted loop. You can use this to absorb the water. And then this one, I forget the name of it. I think it's the amphibian or the mother fluffer. But this one just kind of gets any residual beads or water. Here is my spray wax, or my spray sealant, if you will. It's beaded up. So to apply this, I like to spray one mist on the towel and then a couple wherever you're gonna dry. So the towel will help absorb. This is called a drying aid as well. And then once it's dried, then you can spray one more layer on dry paint. So you can use compressed air. You can use, they sell blowers for car detailing to get all the water out of the creases or the seals. You know, if you want to go that far. That stuff up since the wash didn't get it. Now we're just gonna dress the tires and plastic up. Pre-soak, the rinseless wash, and we dried it with a drying aid and spray sealant. Make sure you wash it frequently to make that sealant last its lifespan. You can always strip it off and reapply again, or if you have a ceramic coating, just apply a ceramic topper like that product that I just used. It also works as a stand-alone product. If you have any questions on how to maintain your vehicle at home, please shoot me a text, message me on Facebook. I'm always happy to help. Thank you.